Welcome to Wolfe, Canmore, 707 Railway Avenue in Canmore, Alberta. Today we're looking at this beautiful brand new 2020 GMC Acadia AT4 trim level, powered by the 3.6 liter V6, made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Once in the interior of the AT4 Acadia, we do have the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. We do have the dial down here for your power tailgate. We do have the leather wrapped steering wheel. Cruise control, forward collision warning on there. Only 6 kilometers on this vehicle, brand new. Push button start, 8-inch touchscreen for your nav, audio and climate controls, Apple CarPlay in there as well. We do have the auto stop start, parking sensors as well. Here's your drivetrain selection, heated leather seats. Look at that beautiful AT4 stitched into the headrest there. Moving on to the exterior of the AT4, sticking with the all-terrain theme, we do have those off-road oriented 17-inch wheel and tire package with this GMC Continental all-weather tires on there. Beautiful AT4 badging on the side. Keyless entry, remote start, roof rails up top, dual chrome exhausts coming out of the rear bumper, as well as the LED tail lamps and the tow hitch already installed on the AT4. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the beautiful brand new 2020 GMC Acadia AT4. If this is your next SUV, come down here and see us at 707 Railway Avenue, Canmore for Wolfe Canmore.